This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Bessignano. Your search is over. Come see this beautifully updated Minto built Buttonwood condo. The home features open floor plan and split bedrooms. Entering through the screened front porch, you will be greeted by a light and airy living room, dining room, kitchen area. The kitchen has 42-inch upper cabinets with stack over microwave and upper molding. There is lovely under cabinet lighting with outlets above cabinets for additional decorative lighting. The quartz countertops are new along with a bright backsplash. The appliances are stainless steel and only a couple of years old. The kitchen is also equipped with double pantries completed by Closets by Design. The office has custom-built double desks with file cabinet drawers, lighting overhead, storage and quartz desktop. The master bedroom closet has also been done by Closets by Design. There are beautiful ceiling fans in every room. Crown molding is in living room, dining room, and kitchen. The garage has sliding screens and tons of built-in storage. The lanai is enclosed and has a serene water view. There is even an area behind the lanai to sit outside and enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail. All windows have custom shades. The KPW Platinum plan is in place and can be transferred and prorated at closing. The 55-plus gated community of Kings Point has terrific facilities, 5 pools, and over 200 clubs for your enjoyment. Kings Point, between Sarasota and Tampa, is an ideal location. It is convenient to shopping, Busch Gardens, world-class museums, Orlando, sports and entertainment with wonderful beaches close by. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Bessignano at 813-642-1500.